Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Wealthfront for automatic rebalancing, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with Wealthfront, visit their official website. Click on the Get Started button at the top right corner of the homepage. You will be prompted to create an account. Enter your email address and choose a secure password. After filling in your information, click on Sign Up. Next, you'll need to provide some personal information. Fill in your name, date of birth, and phone number. Proceed by clicking Continue to move to the next step. Wealthfront will ask about your financial situation. This includes questions about your income, employment status, and investment goals. Answer these questions honestly to create a tailored experience. After completing this section, click Continue. Now, it's time to set your investment preferences. You'll be asked about your risk tolerance and investment timeline. Select options that align with your financial goals. After reviewing your preferences, click Continue. Wealthfront will now guide you through the funding process. Choose your preferred method to deposit funds into your account. You can link your bank account for a seamless transfer. Once you have completed the funding step, click Continue. Next, it's time to review your investment plan. Wealthfront will present a diversified portfolio tailored to your preferences. Take your time to understand the suggested allocations. When you're ready, confirm your investment strategy by clicking Continue. The next step will be enabling automatic rebalancing. Wealthfront automatically manages your portfolio to maintain your desired asset allocation. Adjust your settings if needed, and ensure automatic rebalancing is enabled. Finally, review all the information one last time. Once everything looks good, agree to the terms and conditions. Click on Submit to finalize your account registration. You will receive a confirmation email to verify your account. Check your email and follow the instructions in the message. Your Wealthfront account is now active and set for automatic rebalancing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.